What is Meteora? Meteora, in my opinion, is probably the biggest DApp on Solana when it comes to liquidity providing. It's from the same team behind Jupiter. If you go to meteora.ag, you can see all these different liquidity pools. Here you can go and deposit your crypto into these pools to earn liquidity fees. But the most unique feature is DLMM pools. The TVL locked up in these is decent, and the swap volume is massive. If these pools are set up really well, they can print fees. Right now there is a points program that's live. There is no UI to see your points, but it's all being recorded by the team. For every $1 that you have, you get 1 point. And for every $1 you earn, you get 1K points. Another option to get points with Meteora is to use Camino Finance. When you go to the liquidity section, just make sure that the DEX has a Meteora logo. Meteora has almost $260 million worth of TVL. To learn about Meteora, make sure to be in touch with us and watch the playlist Solana Learning on our YouTube channel. And also check out the LP Boot Camp. It's free to watch and it's filled with alpha.